Now we want to create the cable schedule or the cable list. For that, we have to go here, select, then under list, there is cable schedule. So click here. So we are now working on the AVEVA wiring manager module. Here under cable schedule, you can see some of the cables are hidden or this is not prominent. So these are the cables we cannot use. These are the instrumentation cables. Suppose for anyone, let's double click over here and this error message will show here. Cable from instrumentation discipline cannot be edited. So we can work only for these cables. So these are the by default some of the cable lists are appearing here. Let's create our new cable schedule as per our project requirement. So we can create this cable schedule at our home page. Let's click here new and this pop-up window will come. Then you can fill in the boxes over here. But we want to follow other ways. Let's close this. Suppose power cable. So three cord, one cable already. Sorry. Okay, let's select this one. Right click over here, go to new and copy selected. Here, as you can see, some of the populated and pre-filled data will appear, and it will be easier to fill in the boxes with the relevant information. So project status, whether it is suppose new, I want to mention this cable number. So this is for power cable P. Let's edit this one. Suppose this one 002A XLP. Anything you can give the name here because this is nothing but a text. So whatever, there is no format. If you are maintaining that cable number as in your project, so that cable number or the cable tag number you can mention here. There is no limitations as to this. Okay, now the estimated length you can also mention here, or or you can keep it blank. Anytime you can modify this. Let's say 100 meter. Next, catalog number. So we have already created our cable catalog. Let's define one catalog. Suppose this one, this was 3 core, this was power. Okay, now size 185. Yes, you can see in our previous lesson we created this cable 3 core 185 square mm. This cable we have created and this user ID was 345. Let's select this cable. So let's select this cable and all the information will come here. So 3 core 185 size, insulation, voltage grade 0.6 to 1 kV grade. So all this information will come over here. Okay, let's click apply. Okay, so you can see this cable already came here. This is now appearing. This is now created. This 185 square mm. So now what you can do, you can you can export this sample over here, manage, export to Excel, and here export to Excel with ID. Then with cable ID and cable catalog, this cable information, including the cable size, number of core, cable ID, voltage grade, everything will show in that spreadsheet. So in that spreadsheet, you can add any number of cables required for your project, and you can import it back to AVEVA module. So it will save your time as well as it will be easier to enter this information in the AVEVA Wedding Manager module. In the okay, so as an alternative, we can set wiring rule in the AVEVA Electrical Engineer module, so that those cables will appear in AVEVA Designer module also. If you want to take the print uh, in the form of SLD. So in the next lesson, we'll see how to set wiring rules in the AVEVA Electrical Engineer module.